Hello everyone, today in front of me I have this OPPO A96 smartphone, and in this video we would like to show how you can install the Fortnite game on this device. As we all know, the Fortnite game unfortunately is not present in the Play Store, so you cannot get it from there. So in order to get Fortnite, just choose any search engine that you'd like. In my case I'll use the Google for it. Here at the search bar type in Fortnite APK. At the results, look for the official Epic Games website, go for it. Here on the web page itself, click on this black button and get it on the Epic Games app. Wait for the download to start, press an OK, then open the launcher. The system will ask you to allow the Google Chrome to install apps from unknown sources, so we'll go ahead and do that. Click on install. Open the Epic Games launcher. Here in front of a Fortnite game icon, click on this get button, press install, and wait for the game to get installed and downloaded. Now we gotta let the Epic Games launcher to download apps from unknown sources as well. So tap on settings, turn on the switch and get back to the previous page. Click on install. Alright, and we are absolutely all set. So basically all that it's left to do on our side is to wait for the Fortnite game to download all its resources and update files. And after, as you can see, this update will be successfully executed, you will be able to play the game itself. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!